A Pakistani official said in an interview with Xinhua that governing for the people and the people-centered philosophy is the secret to China's great development achievements. Mujahid Hussain Syed, chairman of Pakistani Senate's Defense Committee, pointed out that one of the greatest manifestations of the people-centered approach is China's success in lifting around 800 million people out of poverty.
The relationship between the people, the party and the leadership, they are somehow inextricably intertwined. China has eliminated, finished, ended absolute poverty, which was the dream in China. In the last 10 years, China has launched very successfully the Belt and Road Initiative, BRI, which is probably the most important global developmental initiative in the 21st century.
China's people-centric approach not only improves the well-being of the Chinese people, but also benefits the people of other countries. Said the BRI and its flagship project, the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, have greatly boosted Pakistan's economic and social growth.
We have had 6,000 megawatts of electricity generated, about 800 kilometers of roads and highways and motorways being built. So it's a tremendous achievement. They are contributing to Pakistan's trade and economic development. So CPEC has been a game changer, and Belt and Road Initiative is bringing about an amazing social transformation in the lives and local communities where they have projects.
The construction of the CPEC has promoted energy and transportation infrastructure critical for Pakistan's economic development and helped develop Pakistan's Gwadar port to boost trade and regional connectivity.